garden centre and the farm shop this morning to look for a weed killer that would kill all the weeds but leave the grass. I found some, it was quite expensive, and then I remembered I have got this at home. This is a Haxnicks SpeedWeed, funny word. The good thing about it is that you can target your weed, stab it, pull it up, and Bob's your uncle, it's done. So I'm really hoping that that was a sort of a sheep run, a chicken run, which had thistles, nettles and everything. I'm hoping to get rid of it all, and every time a naughty little weed pops up, off with its head. Today I was rolling around on the lawn and I came across this whopping great thistle. So I decided, revenge. Revenge is sweet. I'm going to try this SpeedWeed.